Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Salesforce CRM forecast categories and rollups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Salesforce CRM forecast categories and rollups, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Sales app by selecting it from the app launcher. Click on the Opportunities tab from the navigation bar. Locate the Forecasts link within the Opportunities section. In the Forecasts page, you will see different categories of forecast data. Identify the forecast categories such as pipeline, best case, and commit. Select a specific forecast category to analyze it further. Review the associated opportunity records for each category. To check rollups, go back to the Opportunities tab and open the individual opportunities. On each opportunity page, locate the forecast category field. Ensure that the forecast category reflects the correct status of the opportunity. Check for any discrepancies between the opportunity stage and the forecast category assigned. If adjustments are needed, click the Edit button on the opportunity record. Change the forecast category to match the current opportunity status. Save your changes to update the record. Next, repeat this process for any other opportunities you need to verify. To review rollup summaries, return to the Forecasts page. Examine the numbers displayed for each forecast category to ensure accuracy. Compare these figures with your opportunity records for consistency. If you spot any inconsistencies, investigate the related opportunities for errors. Make necessary adjustments to correct any inaccuracies. Finally, periodically recheck the forecast categories and rollups as opportunities change over time. This ensures that your forecasts remain reliable and aligned with your sales pipeline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.